Today, you will learn how to add line numbers in Word. First, open your Microsoft Word document. This can be a new blank document or an existing file. Before adding line numbers, make sure your document is in Print Layout view, because line numbering works best there. To check this, go to the top menu and click on the View tab. Inside the View tab, look for Print Layout and click on it if it's not already selected. Once you do that, your document will display like a real printed page. Now let's add line numbers. Go to the Layout tab at the top of Microsoft Word. Inside the Layout tab, look for an option called Line Numbers. Click on the small drop-down arrow next to it. You will now see several options for adding line numbers to your document. The first option is Continuous. If you select Continuous, Microsoft Word will number every line in the document from beginning to end without restarting. For example, the first page may end at line 40, and the next page will continue from line 41. This is commonly used for reports, scripts, and legal documents. The second option is Restart each page. When you choose this option, the numbering starts again from line number 1 on every page. So page 1 may have lines 1 to 40, and page 2 will again start from line 1. This is helpful when each page needs separate numbering. The third option is Restart each section. This option is useful when your document contains different sections. Each section will start its own line numbering from 1. This is often used in large documents, books, or professional formatting projects. As soon as you choose any of these options, you will instantly see line numbers appear on the left side of your Word document. These numbers are added automatically beside each line of text. Now, let's learn how to customize these numbers because Word also gives you advanced settings. Go back to the Layout tab and click the Line Numbers drop-down menu again. This time, choose Line Numbering Options. A page setup window will appear on your screen. Inside this box, click on the Layout tab if it is not already open. At the bottom, click the Line Numbers button. You will now see more settings that allow you to fully control the line numbers in your document. First, check the box that says Add Line Numbering. Under that, you will see a setting called Start At. By default, Word starts from 1, but you can change this to any number you want. For example, you can start from 10 or 100, depending on your needs. Next, you will see the From Text option. This controls the distance between the line numbers and the text in your document. If the numbers look too close to the text, you can increase the spacing. If they look too far away, you can reduce it. Another useful setting is Count By. Normally, Word counts every line one by one, like 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. But if you change Count By to 2, Word will display numbers like 2, 4, 6, 8, and so on. If you change it to 5, it will display 5, 10, 15, and so on. This is useful in certain editing or formatting situations. You will also see the Numbering section, where you can choose Continuous, Restart each page, or Restart each section again. This allows you to quickly switch between numbering styles without leaving the settings window. After making your changes, click OK. Then click OK again in the Page Setup box. Your document will now update with the new line numbering settings you selected. Now let's learn how to remove line numbers if you no longer need them. To remove line numbers from the entire document, go to the Layout tab, click the Line Numbers drop-down menu, and choose None. The line numbers will disappear immediately. Sometimes you may only want to remove numbering from a specific paragraph instead of the whole document. To do that, place your cursor inside the paragraph where you want to remove the numbering. Then go to Layout, click Line Numbers, and choose Suppress for Current Paragraph. That paragraph will no longer display line numbers while the rest of the document still keeps them. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel.